Welcome, fellow travelers. We're thrilled to have you at Travel Partner Official. Travel is more than sightseeing. It's about new cultures, flavors, and unforgettable memories. Every journey, big or small, is a chance for discovery. Our community is here to help you travel smarter and safer. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic: travel insurance. Think of it as your invisible safety net, ready when things go off script. We'll keep it simple, clear, and practical, so you can focus on the fun. Our goal? To empower you with knowledge for stress-free adventures. Let's get started and make sure you're prepared for every step of your journey. Ready? Let's dive in. Let's break it down. What is travel insurance? It's a policy designed to protect you from unexpected problems on your trip, like car or home insurance, but for your adventures. It covers things like canceled flights, lost bags, or sudden illness. Even careful travelers can't control everything. Travel insurance is your backup. Imagine having to cancel a big trip last minute. Insurance can refund your non-refundable costs. It's not about expecting trouble, but being ready for it. For a small cost, you get peace of mind and financial protection. It lets you enjoy your trip, knowing you have support if things go wrong. Travel insurance turns uncertainty into confidence. Let's dive into some real-life moments when travel insurance truly becomes your hero. Those times when a simple policy transforms a travel disaster into just another story to tell. Whether you're a seasoned explorer or a first-time flyer, these are the situations where insurance steps in and saves the day. Imagine this. You finally land in paradise, ready for adventure, but your bag doesn't make it off the plane. Suddenly, you're standing at the luggage carousel, watching everyone else collect their things while you're left empty-handed. Instead of letting it ruin your trip, travel insurance steps in. It covers the cost of essentials, clothes, toiletries, even a new suitcase, so you can start enjoying your destination right away, without missing a beat. Or picture this. You're in a foreign country and suddenly fall ill. Your regular health insurance doesn't work here, and you're worried about navigating a new healthcare system. But with travel insurance, you're not alone. It connects you with local doctors, helps you find the right care, and covers those unexpected medical bills. In more serious cases, if you need to be evacuated to a better hospital or even flown home, travel insurance can arrange and pay for your medical evacuation. It's peace of mind when you need it most. But it's not just about major emergencies. Maybe you miss a connecting flight because of a delay, your camera gets stolen while sightseeing, or your rental car gets a flat tire in the middle of nowhere. Travel insurance helps cover these smaller mishaps too, so you're not left stranded or out of pocket. Take the story of a traveler who had to cancel a long-awaited cruise at the last minute due to a family emergency. Thanks to their insurance, they got a full refund for the trip, turning heartbreak into relief. Or another traveler, stranded on a remote road with a flat tire. Their policy included roadside assistance, so help arrived quickly, and they were back on their journey in no time. These aren't rare once-in-a-lifetime stories. Every day, travelers around the world face unexpected challenges. And every day, insurance helps turn those challenges into manageable moments. Instead of letting a crisis ruin your plans, insurance helps you bounce back, so you can keep exploring, learning, and making memories no matter what comes your way. It's there for the big emergencies, like sudden illness or accidents, and for the small headaches, like lost bags or minor delays. It's a safety net that lets you travel with confidence. With travel insurance, you're free to embrace the open road, explore new places, and enjoy every moment, knowing you have backup if things go sideways. Think of it as your personal support system, always ready to help when the unexpected happens. Whether it's a quick phone call for advice or help filing a claim, you're never alone. So you can focus on what really matters: the adventure, the experiences, and the joy of discovering the world, without the weight of worry holding you back. That's the real value of travel insurance. It's not just a piece of paper. It's your ticket to peace of mind, wherever your journey takes you. With insurance by your side, you can step out into the world with confidence, ready for anything, and truly make the most of every adventure. Travel insurance comes in a few key types. Let's break them down and make sense of what each one really means for your trip. Whether you're planning a quick weekend getaway or a months-long adventure, understanding these options can help you travel with confidence and peace of mind. First, there's trip cancellation and interruption coverage. This protects the money you've already spent on flights, hotels, or tours if you have to cancel or cut your trip short for a covered reason, like sudden illness, a family emergency, or even severe weather. It can also help if your trip is interrupted after you've already started traveling, reimbursing you for unused portions and extra costs to get home. Emergency medical and dental coverage is absolutely essential when you're abroad. If you get sick or injured, this pays for doctor visits, hospital stays, prescription medications, and even emergency evacuation if you need to be transported to a better-equipped facility or back home. Many regular health plans don't cover you overseas, so this can be a real lifesaver. Baggage and personal effects coverage steps in if your luggage is lost, stolen, or delayed by the airline. It can reimburse you for the value of your belongings, help you replace essentials, and even cover the cost of buying clothes or toiletries if your bags are delayed for a long time. Some plans go further and protect your electronics, cameras, and other valuables if they're stolen or damaged during your travels. This is especially important for digital nomads or anyone carrying expensive gear. Travel delay coverage helps when you're stuck at the airport due to weather, mechanical issues, or other unexpected events. It can reimburse you for meals, hotel stays, and other necessary expenses while you wait for your journey to continue. For even more flexibility, some policies offer a cancel for any reason upgrade. This lets you cancel your trip for reasons not usually covered, like simply changing your mind, and still get a partial refund. It's perfect for travelers who want maximum control over their plans. 24/7 travel assistance is like having a personal helper on call, ready to assist with emergencies, lost passports, language barriers, or finding a doctor, anytime, anywhere in the world. Knowing these basics helps you compare plans and pick the right one for your trip. Think about your destination, activities, and what you can't afford to lose or risk. Choose coverage that matches your travel style and needs so you can focus on making memories, not worrying about what might go wrong. Is travel insurance always necessary? The answer isn't as simple as yes or no. It really depends on your unique situation, the type of trip you're taking, and your personal comfort with risk. While travel insurance can be a lifesaver in some scenarios, there are times when it might not be worth the extra cost. For example, if you're heading out on a short, inexpensive domestic trip, maybe a weekend getaway to a nearby city or a road trip within your own country, you might not need travel insurance at all. This is especially true if your health insurance already covers you at your destination, and your travel bookings are flexible or refundable. Before you buy a separate policy, take a close look at your credit cards. Many credit cards offer built-in travel coverage, such as trip cancellation, lost luggage, or even emergency medical assistance. Reviewing your card's benefits could save you money and prevent you from doubling up on coverage you already have. Sometimes the cost of a travel insurance policy can actually be higher than the value of your trip itself. If you're only spending a small amount on travel, it might not make sense to pay extra for insurance. In these cases, you might feel comfortable skipping it and accepting the small risk. On the other hand, if you're planning an international adventure, booking expensive flights, or staying at luxury hotels with non-refundable reservations, travel insurance becomes much more important. The financial stakes are higher, and the risks, like trip cancellations, lost baggage, or medical emergencies, can be much more costly. Medical emergencies abroad can be especially expensive, and your regular health insurance may not cover you outside your home country. In these situations, travel insurance can protect your investment and provide crucial support if something goes wrong far from home. The key is to evaluate each trip individually. Think about where you're going, what activities you'll be doing, and what you stand to lose if things don't go as planned. Adventure travel, remote destinations, or trips with lots of prepaid expenses may all call for extra protection. Ultimately, it comes down to your comfort with risk and your budget. Some travelers prefer peace of mind, knowing they're covered no matter what. Others are willing to take a chance to save money, especially on smaller trips. For big, expensive, or once-in-a-lifetime trips, travel insurance can offer real peace of mind and help you relax and enjoy your journey, knowing you're protected. For smaller, low-cost adventures, it's okay to weigh the risks and decide if insurance is really necessary. Sometimes, being flexible and prepared is all you need. In the end, the best choice is the one that fits your journey, your needs, and your peace of mind. Take a moment to consider your options and make the decision that's right for you. Picking the right plan is easier than you think. Start by considering your trip, adventure, cruise, or family vacation. Make sure your policy covers your activities. Some exclude things like hiking or scuba. Compare plans online. Don't just look at price, check coverage limits. For international trips, aim for at least $50,000 in medical coverage. If you have pre-existing conditions, look for a waiver and buy early. Traveling with family, group plans can save money. Frequent traveler, consider an annual policy. Take time to match coverage to your needs. The right plan means protection without overspending. Don't skip the fine print. It matters. Check what's covered and, more importantly, what's excluded. Exclusions often include risky activities, alcohol-related incidents, or travel to certain countries. Know your deductible, the amount you pay before insurance kicks in. Understand the claims process and keep all receipts and reports. Save a digital copy of your policy for easy access. A few minutes reading details can save you big headaches later. Smart travelers know their policy inside out. Before you go, do a quick pre-trip check. Double-check your passport, visas, and travel documents. Take photos of important IDs and store them securely. Print your insurance info and save emergency numbers in your phone. Share your itinerary and insurance details with someone you trust. Notify your bank of your travel plans to avoid card issues. Check for travel advisories and know your destination's safety tips. A little prep now means a smoother, safer trip. Preparation is the secret to stress-free travel. Now, you're ready to travel smarter and safer. We've covered what travel insurance is, why it matters, and how to choose the right plan. The goal isn't fear, it's confidence and peace of mind. Travel Partner Official is here to help you make every journey memorable. Join our community for more tips, guides, and inspiration. Follow us and subscribe so you never miss out. Safe travels and unforgettable adventures await. The world is yours. Explore it with confidence.